Hello everyone, are you preparing for anthropology in UPSC and looking for that final edge to boost your performance? Well, this is the course designed just for you. Anthropology 300 plus enrichment cum test series. This batch is starting from 8th of September. This batch includes enrichment to sharpen your performance, as well as it includes the test series, 14 sectional tests and 6 full length tests to elevate your confidence. The most common problem that is faced by the aspirants who are preparing for their optional is that they are lacking the consistency. That's why we are having a strict schedule for that. This schedule, it includes 29 plus revision sessions along with the time where you can revise, can prepare your short notes and then give the test for that full-fledged time period. Now, let me tell you the basic features of the class. So, in today's session, we are going to know how these classes and this course will help you to get the 300 plus marks. Now, see, this course, it includes some revision classes. Here you can see on 8th of September in the schedule, it is mentioned that we are going to have a revision class for the unit 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This is the syllabus for this unit. For these 3 units, we will have one revision class. In the revision class, how we are going to design that? In the revision class, the first we are going to analyze the PYQs. We will have a trend analysis of the PYQ. Why? Because you know, syllabus for anthropology is short, but it is short for everyone. How you can take the edge? When you know what are the topics and in what way UPSC is asking questions from those topics. So for that, first, let us suppose we have taken the unit 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 for one day. Then we are going to have the PYQ trend analysis of these 3 units. Then we will pinpoint the important topics out of that, like to know where we need to pay more attention. Then we are going to have a current based quick revision of these particular units. In this revision, we are going to focus upon the current aspects like the news clips, the articles, the diagrams, something that you can add on. So this is something that will provide you the value addition. It is going to provide you the value addition. Like students, they have covered their foundation 2 years back, 3 years back, they need updation. So this is the best thing that you can have. Now next, once we have analyzed the PYQs, then we have a quick revision of it. After that, we are going to have some practice questions as well as the model answer. These model answers, they are being curated in such a way how the toppers used to write the answer. These model answers, they are crisp, to the point. They have the examples, value additions, and they are going to give you a blueprint how your answer should look like. So what you need to do, like during the classes, we are going to analyze the approach, how you can write these questions. We are not going to see the model answer during the class. We will only see the question and the approach, how we can deal with that question. Then you are going to practice that question and you are going to see the model answer so that you will get to know what are the things where you are lacking. And then you need to show me these answers that you had written. After that, we are going to see during the class itself the toppers answer copy. Why? Because our ultimate aim is to write like toppers, to get the marks like the toppers, means basically the 300 plus. Once we have completed the enrichment class, then we are ready for the sectional as well as the full length test. See how we have designed that. On 8th of September, you are going to have first class. During the class, you will get these things. Then on 9th of September and on 10th of September, there is a break. Here can you see 9th and 10th, there is a break. What to do for that break? During that break, you need to prepare your smart short notes. Like many of the students, they are coming up and they are saying that ma'am, our notes are not consolidated, they are not at one place, they are also not in the crisp manner. I mean, it's taking them too much to prepare, too much time to revise. So for that, we have 9th and 10th 2 days to prepare the smart short notes. So during those 2 days, we have to prepare short notes for these 3 units. And how to prepare the short notes, I have already provided the video for that, and for the enrichment cum test series, personally you can also take the feedback from the previous students. Personally, I used to sit with those students and I used to train them how to prepare the short notes. And it's open for both, for the offline student and online student. Online student, they can schedule their call, and through the call we used to have the interaction, and I used to train them how to prepare the short notes. Fine. So then you will prepare the short notes. For the short notes, first we are going to prepare the indexes like that. These indexes, they are like the mirror, the preview about what are the kind of things we have to cover up. Means we are very much aware, mindful, what are the things we need to cover up in particular thing, in particular topic. Let us suppose unit 2.1 culture. I know that I have to cover up the level of ethnocentrism. If there is any question which is indirect, which is based upon the application, so we can use the knowledge. You can clearly remember that these are the things I have done. So if this question is from ethnocentrism, these are the points I have already done. So based upon these points, we can easily write the answer. And based upon these points only, we are going to prepare our short notes. So I will train you. Don't worry about that. I will train you how to prepare that. So once you have taken up the class, then within those 2 days, you have prepared your short notes. Then again, on 11th, you will have the next class. So on 11th, you will have the next class, which includes unit 2.1, 2.2. The theme is going to be similar. Then again, I will give you 2 days. During those 2 days, you are going to prepare your short notes. You are going to submit your short notes to me. You can show me offline and online. Both the modes are available. And then I will tell you that if there is anything which is missing and anything that you can correct, then after the 2 days, like from 14th of September till 19th of September, you are going to revise your short notes. So we had given that much time. So you will revise your short notes. Likewise, you have revised, you have prepared the short notes, like you have taken the class, then you have prepared the short notes, then you have revised it. And then on 20th September, you are going to give the test of all these units. Once you have given the test, then evaluator, they are going to evaluate your copy, and the evaluation, you are going to get the evaluation as well as the model answer for all these within the 2 to 3 days. Once you have got the evaluation, you are going to show your evaluated copy to me, and we both are going to analyze that if you have done things in a particular manner, why you are not able to replicate. The kind of thing student used to face after taking up the test series, that we have got the evaluator marks, we have got the the kind of feedback, but we are not able to work on that feedback. So I am here for that. I am going to tell you how to work on the feedback. What are the basic points where you have to work? So accordingly, we are going to have the same mechanism. So likewise, we are going to complete the complete syllabus. So on 22nd September, we are having another unit on 24. Likewise, we are going to have a complete version and will give the test accordingly. So this is the kind of phenomena. Now, you would be worried about how and in what time we are going to cover up. So we have a full-fledged schedule where you can plan your studies. See, so we are likewise going to cover up the complete full length, 2 full length tests by the 31st of January. Ideally, you need to cover up your syllabus with tests, with answer writing, everything, with value addition, everything at one place. Now, we are going to provide you the break, and from 11th July, we are going to resume your full length test. 4 full length tests again. So this is the kind of mechanism we are having. Now, talking about the practice question. So we are going to provide you 300 plus practice question with model answer. And these model answer and practice question, they are separate from the test. So you will have 14 sectional and 6 full length tests. The question that you will find here, they are completely different. Another thing that I want to highlight here is that these 14 sectional and 6 full length tests, they are being prepared on the UPSC lines. From the last 2 years, 2023-2024, UPSC is asking some indirect application based question. So the test series, the test, they are prepared on completely on the line of the UPSC. So if you want to take that extra edge and if you want to take your preparation to the next level, so join for the course. The course is going to start from the 8th of September, and it is highly recommended that if you want to achieve the 300 plus marks, then you should go with the flow and you should have a full-fledged schedule for that. Fine. So join our journey to embark you to the next level. Thank you so much.